Hey guys, we're unboxing an E88 Pro Drone and we're gonna show the inside. So first, this is the remote. This is to descend. This is to ascend. This is to move the drone like this, like 360, and the other way as well. So this one is to make it forwards. This one to make it backwards. This one to side. This one to side. This one takeoff. This one landing. I don't know, these and these. This one is to calibrate. This one is to make it flip, speed, headless mode, and these are the antennas. So we're gonna have to do like this. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. So we're gonna go on the drone. So this is how you unfold it. So you just have to do this. It's quite simple. And just, if you want 3 batteries, you can get 3 batteries, but I do recommend 2 batteries because then you can use the other one. So then, like that. So then you have to turn on this one, activate. So I'm gonna turn off that. So then we're gonna show you the extra things that came with it. So here we got a screwdriver for the propellers, here for the guards for the propellers as well, for in case you accidentally crash into things, you can put that on for beginners. And then there's extra propellers. There's only 4 in the other one. So here's where the other ones went. Gotta find the other one. Usually follows. So here, so that's the reason why you should buy one. See ya. Yeah, I'm quite new to it. But I did have one in Australia, but my dog bit it. But I'm like almost like a pro already. So then I'm gonna show you how I fly a drone.
Okay, it's a tiny drone, but it looks cool. I like the color black. So he's going to fly it right now. Okay, so I'm so excited to see it.
Can you pause it real quick?
Okay, let's try it now, Sam. Oh, very nice, man. Oh, look. Oh, that's how to fly it, man. Oh, that's good. You can control it. Nice maneuver. Oh, perfect, man. Yeah, I know you can do it. Wow, that's cool, man. You just start to control, right? But it's okay, you're doing good. Okay, there's some. Okay, perfect landing. These are attempt to fly the drone outside. Okay, not too high, man. Okay, you can fly it now. Yeah, okay. That's good. It's only for practice. Oh, that looks cool, man. Oh, you can. Oh, I'm filming it right now. What's your experience flying the drone? It was a success?
Sorta.
Good job, man.
Because there's so much cars and there's a lot of wires.
Yeah.
So we have to be careful of that, and we have to keep an eye on the drone as well, not the camera.
Okay, well done, Sam. You're now a drone pilot.
And we're still gonna keep on
Keep
flying
it up. Yeah. Next time, let's try a wider place, like parks. Yeah. Okay, good work, man. This is Sam and Ronel and Ken signing off. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.